Here are some of my top reasons why TickTick is one of my favorite to-do apps. Reason number one, natural language processing. So we could write things like, remind me to contact James at 9 p.m. Friday, done. And TickTick will remind me at 9 p.m. Friday without ever having to dig into the calendar or set alerts. We could also do, remind me every 2 weeks, or also, remind me every other Friday. And TickTick will handle it all for you. Reason number two are lists and the Kanban view. Lists are where I typically add my projects or certain reference lists like books I want to read, movies to watch, that I don't really want to look at all the time. I do this because items in lists are more contained and don't get mixed in with tasks that I add into my inbox. And the great thing about items in a list is that I can convert tasks from a typical list view into a Kanban board view. It's something very similar to Trello and Asana, but with a lot less features. Reason number three, tags and priority. We can either right-click and add our tags and priority this way, or better yet, just type the hashtag to include our tag and the exclamation point to include our priority, all in the same line. So I can create one for hashtag websites, hashtag marketing, hashtag online business, and you can get as detailed as you want. And now I can view all my tasks based on tags and sort them by priority. But maybe you want to view all the items under a single tag instead of having to click through each one. Well, we can nest our tags by simply combining the two together. And now we can view all of our work-related tasks in a single tag and sort them by priority again. Now, one of the reasons why I don't like to use lists too much is because I like being able to quickly get whatever that comes to my head out into the app. I first don't want to think about if I should add this to a list or a tag, but really secondly, I also don't like the extra step it takes to get to the tilde key each time for quick entry. But this is just me and how I do it, which is really a big reason why I love TickTick, which leads me to my final point of why I really love this app. Quick brain dumps. If you have a Mac, simply press Command, Shift, and A, and the entry text box will appear on your desktop. Just type in your task, and you're done. It's also the same if you have mobile. If you have iOS, simply long press the app, select Add New Task, and enter your task without ever having to enter the application. And also, just a quick bonus tip. If you're on iOS, you can sync TickTick with your Reminders app. So every time you added a new reminder with Siri, TickTick will copy that data from the Reminders app and delete that entry in Apple Reminders if you wish. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.